gonna be riding stuff. I fell. Owie. Oh.
Oh no, are you okay? Maybe I can trade. Maybe that will help. Okay, let's trade. Okay, you get this and I get that, whatever this thing is. Ow! Ah! Whoa! Owie! My back hurts. I'm like an old man. Whoa, maybe we can trade again.
I can just. Okay, let's trade.
Here you go, you can have this thing. I can have a two-wheel and you can have a two-wheel.